to the main part, which is very necessary, is that right now Ashu and Varnika have listened to your conversation. Now they are going to tell me that what all they have heard or what all they have listened. Okay, so I want Ashu to start. Ashu, just finish it in a minute or so, and then Varnika will tell me. Okay, because this topic is very much important to make you understand this house.
I
Okay,
didn't get
ma'am.
Yes,
your
sir.
point actually.
You have to tell me that what all you have heard, their conversation. Whatever you have heard, whatever you have listened, you have to
Okay.
tell me. Yes,
Ma'am, can Ashubaya go first?
yes. Ashubai is going
Okay,
to
you start. You
go.
start. You start. You start.
The first thing I heard was Tarun Bhaiya was trying, like, flexing and bragging that he was going to an island where the beauty won't be shown and maps and stuff. Then he was trying to, flirt with Mansi Didi.
My topic is going to be ruined today. My grammar topic is going to be ruined today. Oh my
And
God, if people
Mansi
are.
Didi was like, I can't come, I only see you as a friend, not something else.
Oh God. Yes, Radhika, I've chosen the
Vanika, you
right
don't
people.
have to explain. You just have to, say the words that said. You are
The
hurting.
repeat, you just have to repeat the dialogues.
No, no, Varnika, please continue. Whatever you are saying,
Ash is
you
really
are right
enjoying.
today.
Ash is totally enjoying
I
this.
am with you. I am with you.
He just told about he told that he had seen an island where the beauty is not shown on a map. Then he was telling that something he said, I forgot that. I mean, I'll remember if Ashubaya tells.
Okay, yes,
Something
yes,
so
Ashubai.
important.
So Tarun actually was very eager to express his feelings.
Hmm.
Whatever, whatever. दबाने क्या बोलते हैं दबाने?
To suppress,
But suppress,
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 Suppress.
suppress,
suppress.
suppress from the childhood, from the childhood. And I told you, man will be man.
Oh my God, you people had to do a conversation and then you had to tell me the dialogues of the other people. Oh my God, what all is happening? You people have just cracked it up, every one of you.
Eh,
Okay, let me just do it.
Actually,
And the
ma'am,
boys.
actually, ma'am, every
I,
actually, ma'am,
I.
topic,
Everyone is
topic
enjoying
से
it. That's
Ma'am, you
that's
shouldn't
the
have
main
given,
point.
ma'am, you shouldn't
चले
have given this
गए.
topic. This is going too
Yes,
wild. You
yes.
should have given some
Actually,
neighbor
I
stuff and
just
stuff.
had to explain it. I
About
just had to explain.
You should give us
Yes,
some
Asha.
that
about
studious topics
Mansi,
only.
about
Yes,
Mansi, she is
today's topics
very.
are really better. You people were okay with social media, the pros and cons, and it was really going well. Okay, now it's 4 minutes left. Let me be very
Actually,
serious,
ma'am,
and I want to.
actually,
Yes, yes,
but
Mansi.
actually, ma'am, I think. Hello,
Yes, yes, Mansi.
hello.
Yes,
Actually,
Mansi.
I think. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि तरुण मतलब ऐसे बोलेगा कि हम ट्रिप पे चलते हैं, हमारी लास्ट ट्रिप होगी, फिर हम कब
Huh.
मिलेंगे पता नहीं है, तो
I
फ्रेंड्स
wanted
है, हम
that
मिलते हैं,
conversation.
घूमते हैं, ऐसा ऐसा
Yes,
एक्चुअली
I
And
आई
wanted
he
that
even told
इट
this.
conversation.
मच
Yeah, ma'am, he
कन्वर्सेशन
even told that after 2 weeks
एंड
he wants to roam in an island and then
All
he'll
of
get married.
you, all of you, hold
See,
on,
I
hold on,
told
hold on.
you.
I won't be able
Okay,
to
okay.
hold on to
I'll
this.
tell you my intention.
No,
I was
nothing,
bored
nothing,
by
no intention.
Ashu's speech,
No
so I thought to spice it up.
Tarun, no more intentions here. You have already expressed a lot. Now listen, all of you. Okay. I just wanted to please introduce the topic. Let me introduce. Just 3 minutes are left, and just because we have a very short time, so we'll be continuing this topic tomorrow. This is narration topic basically. Okay. So this narration topic has two parts, which is direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech was something when Tarun and Mansi were conversating, and indirect speech was when I was asking to Varnika or Ashu that could you please tell me what conversation was going on in between them. So you had to tell all the dialogues to me. So basically, what was happening when Tarun was conversating to Mansi, the conversation was going on either in present tense or in future tense, because you people were telling about the plans right now or whatever you want to create. Okay, so everything was going on in simple present tense or simple future tense. But if I talk about that, when Varnika and Ashu had to tell me about all the scenario, whatever they have heard or listened to your conversation, so that will fall into simple past tense or other past tense. Okay, means rules will be
Okay,
changed,
okay.
pronouns will be changed. Like Varnika would tell me that Tarun Bhaiya had told, okay, or told Mansi that he would, or he was planning for next trip. अभी तरुण ने क्या कहा मानसी को कि I am planning. So that point of time when Varnika is going to tell me, so she will tell me in this way that he was planning, कि वो plan कर रहे थे. So the dialogues are going to be changed with the tenses, with the pronouns, with the adverbs, and there are numerous topics that are going to be changed in that. Okay, this is something we are going to discuss in the next class deeply. But in every class, we'll be just giving 10 or 15 minutes, but properly. Not like that, the way we have done today. I assure you that, okay? So I'm not going to give any equity related to grammar topics. It's really better that you people just go with the serious topics. That is really better. Okay. Subhashi, are you there? I can't listen to Subhashi at all. Subhashi, are you there?
Honestly, it's very serious, serious.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Subhashi, your network is not coming properly. We are not able to hear you properly. Please speak once again. No,
Ma'am,
I can't hear
I'm
it.
audible, ma'am.
Your voice is cracking, though the time is up.
Hello.
All I want to say is, Subhashi, try to continue with the classes. Okay? Okay, he has left. I was just speaking alone. No problem. All of you, good night. Take care. Bye. And enjoy. Tarun, enjoy on island. Okay, in your teams.
Good night, ma'am.
Okay, bye, all of you.
Good
Take
night,
care.
ma'am.
Good night.
Good night, ma'am.
Enjoy, guys.